All right, sorry, we just got cut off there. Okay, we're ordering these times on the following slide from the shortest to the longest. And we're saying that 2 hours, we had 10 minutes up there, okay? And then we were choosing between 2 hours and 1 hour and 30 seconds. Which one do we need to choose? Which is the next shortest time? Well, here we've got 1 hour and 30 seconds. Here we've got 2 hours, okay? We know that there's 60 seconds in 1 minute. Okay, so this is less than an hour and a minute. So it is going to be smaller than the 2 hours. Okay, and then next one we've got is 2 hours. Okay, order the times on the following slides from longest to shortest. All right, let's have a look. Which is our longest time? Now, we've got 1 hour and 8 seconds here. We've got 8 minutes here. We've got 1 minute here. How many minutes are there in an hour? There are 60 minutes in an hour. So 8 minutes is going to be less. Okay. So what do we have to do? Order from longest to shortest. So which is going to be the longest time? 1 minute and 8 seconds. 8 minutes is more than that. 1 hour and 8 seconds. Okay. Which do you think is going to be the longest time? It's going to be 1 hour and 8 seconds, isn't it? Now, our next longest time, is it going to be 1 minute and 8 seconds, or is it going to be 8 minutes? Well, 1 minute and 8 seconds isn't even 2 minutes, is it? So 8 minutes is going to be the next biggest one. Okay? So we're ordering from longest to shortest. Our next one is going to be 8 minutes. All right, and our next one after that has got to be the last one there, 1 minute and 8 seconds. All right, snail on the following slides has been taking part in a race. Place the snails in the correct order on the podium. All right, so we've got 3 different times here. Our first our first snail did it in 3 minutes. Then we had 5 minutes, then we had 4 minutes. So who would go first on the podium? It would be the snail that did it in the shortest amount of time. So it would be our 3-minute snail. Then, next shortest amount of time, it's going to be 4 minutes, isn't it? And then coming in last place is going to be our yellow snail with 5 minutes. All right, next one. Which of these is the shortest amount of time? We've got 2 hours and 8 minutes, 2 hours and 3 minutes down the bottom, or 1 hour and 58 minutes. We know there's 60 minutes in an hour, so this is just under an hour here. So it's just under 2 hours. It's 1 hour and 58 minutes, 2 more minutes will make it to 2 hours. So this is going to be the shortest amount of time, our orange snail. He's going to be in first place. Now, these 2 snails have both done it in 2 hours. This one has done it in 2 hours and 3 minutes. This one has done it in 2 hours and 8 minutes. Who came second then? It's our red snail. And then we've got our yellow snail in last place. Okay. All right, I'll let you get on with the worksheets. Have a look at those. Just pause the video now, and after you've finished them, you can come back and have a look at the plenary. All right. Okay, we've got a problem to solve here. It takes Jamie 5 minutes to complete 3 maths problems, okay? He can do 3 maths problems in 5 minutes. Maybe we'll use this more, write some stuff down here. So he can do 3 problems in 5 minutes. Okay. Now, it takes Jamie 5 minutes to complete 3 maths problems. How many problems can he complete in this duration of time? Now, we've got to look at how the clock's hands moved, right? We started at 10 past 11. Okay, it's 10 past 11, and we finished at 11:45. So that this minute hand of the clock has gone all the way around here, okay, until it is lined up with the 9. Now we know that Jamie can do 3 problems in 5 minutes. Now, what we've got to find out is how many 5 minutes is there between this time and when the minute hand gets around to the 9, basically. Okay, so let's just have a look on this clock, and let's just have a look. Where is our minute hand pointing? We've got 10 past, okay, 10 past 11. So our minute hand starts off here at the 2. Now, each one of these is a 5-minute jump, isn't it? 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. And for each one of those jumps, Jamie is able to complete 3 problems. He does 3 there, 3 there, 3 there, 3 there, 3 there, 3 there, and 3 there. Okay? So now it's just a matter of counting up how many problems has he completed altogether. Well, there's different ways you can do this. How many have we got altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups of 3. Okay? So if you know what 7 threes are, 7 times 3, you can do it that way. Okay? Or if you can count in threes, you could do it that way. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Okay? So if you know 7 threes are 21, or you can count in threes, 3, 6, 9, 12, or you could work it out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You could do it like that, okay, and cross them off as you go. All right, but that's basically how you would solve that one. All right, now moving on from that. So yeah, it was 21 minutes in total. We can count that up: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, wasn't 20, it was 35, 35 minutes in total, and he solved in that time 21 problems. Okay, so retrieval quiz. Now, this is where we're looking at stuff that we've learned before and seeing how well we remember it. So let's have a look at this. A right angle is an L shape. Okay, so there's our right angle. Now, I'm going to see if we can find right angles in all these shapes. Can you see where the right angles are on this diagram here? Let's have a look. So there's our right angle, and then we've got a right angle this side, a right angle this side, and a right angle here, haven't we? What about on this next shape? Where's the right angles on here? Let's see if you can spot them. All right, so we've got right angle, right angle, right angle, right angle. What about on the fridge? Can you spot where the right angles are? Okay, there's one. There's another one here. There's another one here. There's another one up here. And we could also say there's right angles here, in here. There's right angle there. So there's lots that we could point out on the fridge. All right. Okay. So I hope you got on with all right with those problems. And we'll be looking at some fractions next. So I will see you soon for that. Okay. Cheers. Bye-bye.